Hey guys, I wanted to share an update on 11th August 2025, and I'm recording very late. I'm recording on next day, and I will stop this habit. But yeah, so I wanted to share. I wanted to talk about clarity of intent in this video. How important or how important is the clarity of intent when you're opening? So after some time, you might face this situation where you are past the anxiety, but you don't want to open. You feel like you maybe feel like a filter, that this like she's not at my level. I don't talk to like that, something like that. If you talk, if you're looking someone for if you filter too much, or if you don't feel like opening, okay, then that's a fucking excuse. You're not engaging, you're not reaching that critical mass, and you're also it's because you're not clear in your intent. It's because you, like, if you're not able to open, it just means that you're not able to clear, you're not clearing an intent. If you're clearing an intent, if you want, let's say if you want to chat with someone, or let's say if you want to fuck someone, then you should be very clear that I want this. If you are wishy-washy, that I'm not sure, then that will reflect and the set will not work, or you will not be able to open that set because your mind sees that you're not clear, and your mind will try to make it not clear, but you have to fucking force this. And okay, let me re-record from this segment. So basically, yesterday I went out. I was not doing open. I did one open, and then I did few open. I went out with my friend, and he's a very good in game. He gave me, he saw me and he gave me this one cool tip which he was struggling from last 8 months. I'm struggling from this from last 1 month, where I'm not clear in my intent, what I want. Do I want to chat, or what do I want? Do I want to open, or I don't want to open, something like that. So I just brought this intent thing in me. It's very hard, if you see someone, you stop, then you get clear in your intent, then you walk to her. You have to make a straight line from you to that set, and then you have to fucking open. So that's a coolest insight that I ever got in game yesterday. From my yesterday, it went out very well. Yesterday went out very good after that. And yeah, so that's about it. Do share how was your day, how was your 11th August in the comment section, and hope you like this video, and tell me your experience about how do you see something like this clarity of intent in you? Do you see that you are very clear in your intent? You might notice this clarity of intent in a guy who's who's very clear, who's let's say if someone is sweet, then most likely they will not be clear in their intent. That's the pattern that I have seen in me. I've seen it with most of the guys. If someone is not sweet, if someone is thoda sa mean, then in that case he tends to be very clear in what he wants. Let's say he tends to be clear in what he wants. So I have also noticed this pattern, and I'm not 100% sure about it, but I'm kind of sure about it that this is the pattern. But do share your experience. I want to know, what do you think about this? And I just share my experience. I really want to know, how was your experience, how was your day, and how are you doing in game, basically. And yeah, so that's about it. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow, and maybe after that next weekend. Bye, have a nice day.